So June 5th is National Donut Day, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make these yummy donut holes. So the first thing you're going to do is add 2 cups of flour into a medium-sized bowl. And then on top of that, you'll add 1/4 cup of white sugar. And then you'll add 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then you will add 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and then you will mix everything together. And once everything is mixed together, you can set your dry ingredients off to the side and get another medium-sized bowl for your wet ingredients. So first, you need to add 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 large egg, and then you can whisk everything together until you have a nice creamy mixture. And once you have that, you can bring back your dry ingredients and just pour the wet mixture on top of the dry ingredients and mix everything together until you have a nice dough ball like this. So now you're going to need a large pan on your stove, and you're going to fill it up with about 1 inch of vegetable oil and heat it over medium heat. So while your oil is heating, you can get your cooling rack ready, and I put mine over a paper towel and pan. You will also need 1 cup of sugar in a bowl to put your donut holes in right after they fry. So once your oil is heated, you can scoop your dough out with an ice cream scoop, but mine was broken, so I'm using a spoon. So you just need to form somewhat of a ball and put it into the oil. And you will need an adult to help you with this part because the oil is very hot and it hurts when it touches your skin. So you'll just fill your pan up and let them cook for 2 minutes on that side. So once 2 minutes have passed, you can take some tongs or fork and very carefully turn the dough balls over so they can cook for another 2 minutes on that side. So once the donut holes are completely cooked, you can take them out one by one and roll them around in the sugar before placing them on your cooling rack to cool down completely. And you're going to repeat this with all of your donut holes and all of the dough you have left. And then voila! You have beautiful donut holes that are very yummy. So the last thing you need to do is share them with your family and share pictures with us. Thanks for watching!